Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vanguard UK. First, you'll need to open an account, which involves choosing an investment type like an ISA or a general investment account. Next, fund your account with an initial deposit, often around £500, or set up a regular monthly contribution. Finally, select the Vanguard funds that align with your investment strategy and risk tolerance. It's a straightforward process designed for easy access to investing. Vanguard UK offers a variety of investment options to suit different needs. You can explore their extensive range of low-cost index funds, which aim to track market performance. For a hands-off approach, consider their target retirement funds, which automatically adjust asset allocation over time. Remember to diversify your portfolio across various asset classes to manage risk effectively. This helps ensure your investments are well spread. Once your account is set up, managing your Vanguard UK investments is simple. Regularly monitor your portfolio's performance through their online portal or mobile app. As your financial goals evolve, you can easily adjust your investments to stay on track. Setting up automated contributions, even small amounts like £100 per month, is a great way to build wealth consistently over the long term. It's all about staying engaged with your financial future. To further optimize your Vanguard UK experience, make use of their extensive educational resources, which offer valuable insights into investing principles. Consider rebalancing your portfolio annually to ensure it maintains your desired asset allocation, which is crucial for long-term success. This helps keep your strategy aligned. Also, for those looking to upgrade their home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy with minimal effort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.